Hi, I'm Delaney from CarTeck Now. Incorrect tire pressure can lead to reduced traction, blown tires, damaged shocks, and more. Today I'm going to teach you how to use a tire pressure gauge to check the pressure of your tires. To check your car's tire pressure, all you'll need to do is remove your tire cap, then place the gauge on the nozzle. A blast of air will shoot into the gauge, giving you a reading. Now that you know what your tire pressure is, it's time to find out what your tire pressure should be. Most cars will have a sticker located on the frame of the driver's side door. This sticker has a lot of important information, but most importantly, it has our tire pressure information. Compare what you have on your tire pressure gauge to this information to see if you need to add or remove air from your tires. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to comment down below if you have any questions, and be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like these.